Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A36 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. So for example this one. Then tap on this info icon and here tap on edit. Now let's tap on this, let's say, profile picture or this pencil icon, and here we've got different options to choose from. So we can enter the camera and our device will immediately open the camera app. So of course this is the best option to choose if you've got a person right in front of you and if you can catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose the photo from the gallery. We've got also the Galaxy avatar, so you can create one, or sorry, that was a misclick totally. Or here we've got some pre-installed, let's say, avatars from which we can choose. For example, this one, and you can simply choose something from those options. You've got more, so you can choose something from the animals, plants, etc. All right, but let me maybe choose something from the gallery. For example, maybe this one. So here all we can do is to change the size of this highlighted circle. We can also change the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on done, and as you can see we've got our photo, so just tap on save again. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.